entire Subaru Forester lineup gets a few small tweaks for the 2022 model year, including a redesigned front fascia and an updated EyeSight driver assistance technology suite. But the biggest news for the 2022 Forester is the addition of the new Wilderness trim, packing a whole bunch of functional upgrades that improve the go-anywhere-ness of Subaru's compact SUV. Making its debut Thursday, the 2022 Forester Wilderness follows the same formula applied to the Outback Wilderness. The Forester Wilderness has a 0.5-inch lift for 9.2 inches of total ground clearance, though the Outback bests that ever so slightly with 9.5 inches. However, when it comes to off-road geometry, the Forester is the more capable in approach and departure angles, at 23.5 and 25.4 degrees, respectively, compared with the Outback's 20.0 and 23.6 degrees. Of course, the Outback's higher ground clearance gives it a slight leg up in breakover angle, boasting 21.2 degrees compared with the Forester's 21.0 degrees. Like the Outback, the Forester Wilderness rides on black 17-inch wheels, though the design is a tiny bit different. Those wheels are wrapped in chunky 225/60 series Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires with raised white lettering, and like on all Forester models, all-wheel drive is standard. The Wilderness has retuned X-Mode off-road programming as well. All 2022 Forester's Wilderness included are powered by the same 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder engine as before, with 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. The Wilderness has a different final drive ratio than other Foresters, 4.11:1 compared with 3.70:1, giving the continuously variable transmission a bit more low-end shove. This also helps with towing. The Forester Wilderness is rated to tow 3,000 pounds. Yes, the Outback Wilderness has more power thanks to its standard 2.4-liter turbo 4, and no, Subaru has no plans to offer this engine in any version of the Forester Wilderness included.